meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
Well, will we be hearing sleigh bells soon? Well, we've got the potential for a little bit of snow heading toward the weekend. Probably not enough to run that sleigh on, though. 7 o'clock this evening, though, just dealing with some rain. Still looking at unseasonably mild weather. Upper 50s, mid and upper 50s through the evening. 57 at 9 o'clock, 56 at 11 p.m. And as we check out that forecast for tomorrow morning, and getting back to some cooler weather, clouds break after midnight, 45 at 8 o'clock, 54 at noon, and even mostly sunny conditions by late day and 53 at 5 o'clock. So looks like most of the rain should be off to our east and northeast by 9 o'clock this evening. Those clouds breaking past midnight, and then we'll be looking at that colder weather for the end of the week. And right now you're checking out the SVG motor cam located up in Greenville tonight. And you can see some damp conditions up there, a nice breeze blowing this evening. And looking at some of the rainfall amounts today up in Greenville, 0.6 of an inch reported by Lowell Miller. David Wessler, though, down in New Paris, 0.9 of an inch. In West Alexandria, Pam Montgomery there, 1.1. William Nebus in Fairborn, 1 inch of rain, and 0.9 of an inch of rain reported in the Springfield area tonight. So it's been a wet day, or at least a wet afternoon over the Dayton area. At least we're looking at dry conditions now in downtown Dayton. Had some rain earlier and some light sprinkles, but that area of solid precipitation has moved off to the northeast and then back across eastern Indiana. We're seeing a little bit of rain coming across, areas right around the western part of Wayne County, so the showers picking up again. So we'll still see some of that rain swing through the area this evening, and then a sharp clearing line out ahead of our cold front pushing into the western part of Indiana, so that clearing should start to move back into the area here after midnight. 59 degrees currently, southeast wind at 22 with a relative humidity 96%. Peak wind gusts this hour, 36 up in Lima, so we've been looking at some of those windier conditions up into the mid-30s, especially north of us, 23 around Muncie. Sustained winds running at about 15 to 20 miles an hour. There's that area of rain on our future track forecast heading to the east by 9 o'clock, 9, 10 o'clock, and then at 1 o'clock in the morning, some breaks in the clouds. We'll be looking at those breaks in the clouds tomorrow morning as well. Partly sunny conditions, at least for the first half of the day. And then tomorrow afternoon, that's when we should start to see some clearing come back. Clear skies tomorrow night will set the stage for some pretty chilly readings Friday morning down below that freezing mark. Some evening showers tonight, then look for partly cloudy skies. Southwest winds developing, turning from the southeast, easing off a little bit and dropping back to 10 to 15 miles an hour out of the southwest. Partly sunny, breezy, cooler tomorrow, 57. Winds pick up again during the day, 10 to 20. 51 at 10 o'clock, 54 at noon, 56 at 2 o'clock, and then a tendency towards some clearing later in the day, 56 at 4, but into the upper 40s by 6 p.m. The Storm Team 2 7-day forecast, 30 on Friday morning with a high of 48 degrees. Saturday, some rain developing, and eventually that could even change over to some snow showers. So if you're heading to Columbus, 40s for the start of the game, 30s more than likely by the end of the game, rain and maybe some evening snow showers, and the winds will pick up as well. So get ready for some wintry weather if you're heading to that game. 37 on Sunday, morning low of 22 with a high of 37, 22 on Monday morning, high 44, and then we'll see temperatures moderate next week. And if you're heading out of town on Wednesday, at least right now, 7 days out, it looks like a pretty decent travel day.
Yeah, that is definitely
But stay
good news.
tuned.
Yep.
Yeah, but before that happens, a little taste of winter in the air.
All right, Brian, thanks.